up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. As always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure to like, subscribe, help the video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I got to love on some folks today, and I'm kicking it off with Tab. She said, Coach, hope you have been well. Got busy with the SPY today and made $255. Got in and out under an hour. I'm loving this. No more plays for me for the week because of pattern day trading. Have a blessed day. Tab, if you see this, Coach just want to say I'm extremely proud. Way to be efficient. Way to get your money and get up out of there. I love it. Next, guys, who we loving on? Alicia. Alicia, if you see this, y'all need to check this out. She said a newbie swing trading. Check this out from Alicia, guys. Hi, Coach. I just wanted to chime in for a second to say thanks for all you do for the community. I'm an accounting professional in the industry for 25 plus years. Stumbled across your channel sometime last year and wanted to learn how to trade options. Out of everyone I've seen on YouTube, and there are some characters out there, I thought the way you presented information about the market was legit and broken down in a way everyone can understand. I appreciate that, Alicia. I've dabbled in crypto for a few years and made some okay trades, but decided to really try my hand with stocks. Before, I would be the person that would just buy a stock like Disney, for example, because it was a good company and just leave it and didn't understand about reading charts. That's what I'm going to teach you guys today, okay? Watching the market and predicting patterns. I watch your updates every day and was waiting for the opportunity to try this thing. I remember looking at the chart for Palantir where it reached 126 earlier one week, then descended, landing around 106 on Friday. Remember what you were saying to watch the support levels around 84 to 86. When I logged in Monday morning, I opened up the chart and was shocked it had already dipped down to 99. Missed an easy play right there. But I just decided, okay, let's start here. I did a put option for 86, and that was my first option trade. And I walked away with $170. When you guys get that first victory, it unlocks the full potential of what's possible. So I'm always super excited when you guys have and experience that moment. She said I could have made a little more if I would have stayed around a few more minutes, but wasn't trying to be greedy, just trying to get better. This is a work in progress with me trying to take a small account and grow it. I'm learning more along the way by not staying in plays too long, stop holding contracts near expiration, and moving in and out of my contracts almost daily. I recently added NVIDIA to my plays. I love this addition, Alicia, and now I'm comfortable with calls and puts. Let's go. If you're around here, I want you to become comfortable with calls and puts, just like Alicia has alluded to. With everything going on with these tariffs, the tweets, the news, the S&P crashing, and it's been a challenge, but took note of what you were saying about the market time. I wake up, open up the SPY, Palantir, NVIDIA, and see what things are looking like. And I did great today, straight sniper mode. Went in for a put, closed it out with a call. I love this. Making money in both directions is what she's explaining to you guys, okay? Profits in both directions. The wins are adding up and now outweighing the losses. That's why I never want you guys to quit. I don't care about your losses. When you learn this, what she just told you guys, this is $1 million worth of game. When you practice what Coach is preaching, you're going to make them losses back. I trust the process, guys. Trust it. This is a prime example of what I mean. Looking forward to joining the money team soon. Still building my account up and getting Arthur Corporate Plantation. Take care. Blessing to you, Alicia. Alicia, Coach just want to let you know I'm extremely proud. I love the way you are being surgical. I love your openness and willingness to learn this life-changing skill. And you already getting busy in both directions. Coach absolutely loves that. Now listen, guys, speaking of the trade war between Canada and Mexico and the US and the whole nine, I want to teach you what Coach sees from that, okay? I don't ever want you to think I'm not into the economic news. I am, but I'm a technician. I am a surgeon, okay? And so I go and process that via the charts, okay? And this is why we're spot on with what we teach and do consistently, no matter what they do. I want you guys to follow this. I want you guys to emulate this and say this to yourself. If this, then that. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I have the SPY pulled up on a 30-minute time frame if you want to know. Okay, a couple things I want you to note. We are in a downtrend. Look at how everything is going down. Okay, we're going down, and I need you to always to know what the trend is. The trend is your friend. Okay, and so when you understand what the trend is, you can also plan accordingly. Look at all these bull traps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, those are traps. Those are moves to the upside that coach want to show you today that are getting faded back to the downside. Okay, so a couple things I want to teach you. All right, so this morning we hit a massive home run. I told you if SPY doesn't get above right here, this is 563, and this green line is 564. Okay, this is all I'm doing, guys, and I want you to do the same thing. They will be way down here at 555. Okay, they'll shoot up, they'll do all this extra stuff, but I'm just sitting there saying to myself, this is a bull trap. Okay, all right, they're coming up, but they're never breaking my lines. If you don't get above my resistance lines, guys, then guess what? I buy a put. I don't care what it's doing. You got to prove to me when we're in a downtrend that you can go up, and when we're in an uptrend, you got to prove to me that you can go down. Okay, and so when they don't get above my lines of 563, 564, I don't need to wait for nothing from Wall Street. I already know what time it is. And so look at this, guys. Check this out. It went up. It was down here. CPI gapped it all the way up here. But look, it hit that. And then look, came all the way down there. That's your target. Number 1. Okay. Boom. Take profit. Then boom. Number 2. They try to do it again once they got down here. Check this out, guys. Boom. This time it was from this wick. They showed me that was the bottom, 553, 555, like I told you in Discord. Boom. They went all the way up here. Couldn't get above that. We buy a put again at resistance. Okay, you buy a put, you buy puts at resistance. And then boom, it came down here and it came down here. These are your profit taking zones. Okay, you take profit here. Okay, and so this is what coach is saying. So this is what I want to teach you guys today, because the trade wars and all that stuff has some impact. But check this out, guys. It don't matter if we gap up or not. If you don't get above these two lines right here, it don't matter. But check this out. I told you, if this, then that. If we have PPI tomorrow, if PPI makes the stock go up tomorrow and they get above this, say we get above 564 and we gap up, say we gap up to 564. Okay, now I know we can run again towards 570. Does that make sense? So I'm always looking, do you break my levels? If you don't, I stick to my rules. Listen to this, guys. Keep it simple. Resistance, you buy puts. Okay. Support, which was down here at 555/553. You buy calls. Okay. Keep the game simple. Resistance is 564. Support is 553. Okay. That's how you do this. This is how it should look. Okay. Tomorrow we got PPI. If they gap up over coach's levels, Okay, I have the 13 EMA, the 48 EMA, and the 200 EMA. Put your chart like my chart. This is a 30-minute time frame that's helping me hit all these home runs in this stock market crash. Okay, go look at my announcements every day in Discord since the crash started, including today, and look at how spot on to the penny every single announcement has been. Okay, tell me somebody that's doing that first and foremost. But secondly, it ain't about that. I want you guys to never let a stock market crash make you think you can't make money. Okay, yes, you can buy a call, but you got to do it after it comes down and support is established. That's the bull trap. Okay, it's going to go up into the trap. Once it hit the trap is always at resistance. Then it's going to come down. I'm just buying puts at resistance, and I'm buying calls when the stock is done crashing. Let me know if that makes sense. Okay, listen guys, be in a Discord first thing in the morning. I don't miss, and we are going to crush the SPY and Tesla. I don't care what else you do, you can always make money with those plays. And listen to this, everything coach teaches you guys is universal. Okay, so you can apply what I'm teaching you for these examples. And if you trading Nvidia, if you're trading Tesla, if you're trading Palantir, if you're trading AVGO, if you're trading anything, apply what I'm putting down. Okay, it's flawless. It ain't no oh, I didn't. No, do what I'm putting down in these lessons. Okay, and it's going to work for your plays too, even if you don't participate in all of my plays. All right, you should be making money in both directions in a stock market crash. Okay, it can't go straight down. They got to have some moments where they're going up. Be strategic, peep what you see. Okay, and listen to this, your stocks can't go too much higher if the SPY runs the whole stock market. And we're gonna get up out of here. This is the last lesson. Everybody write this down. The SPY runs the whole entire stock market. It has the 500 best companies in it. If the SPY isn't going up, it don't matter what your stocks is doing. At some point, they're going to come down too. Let me know if that makes sense. Okay. And so if the SPY break coaches level, your other stocks are going to continue to go up too. But if you see your stock stall out, always go look at the SPY and see what the SPY is doing. If the SPY is struggling, going sideways or going down, your stock is going to eventually do that too, unless it's just have diverged from the whole stock market. Okay, but if it's connected in any way, it's going to eventually come down. Okay, so please know that. So no matter what you're doing, if the SPY ain't participating, your stock might be going up, but the SPY might start going down already. Just know your stock is going to start coming down too eventually. If the SPY start going back up, then your stocks will start going back up. Okay, know the correlation between the two. Okay, listen, man, coach, love you guys. I'm proud of you guys. Way to navigate this stock market crash. It ain't easy, but please don't throw in a towel during these times. Okay, if anything, buckle down, double down, and bite down a little harder for me. All right, with that being said, guys, listen, be in the Discord first thing in the morning. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.